Okay, take a look. This is the parcel customer return. Let's open and take a look. Take a look. The beam is, the customer, the two beam. You see, the customer took the two beams. Yeah, like this. The two beams is behind. The customer took it. You see, it's not there. You see, all the screws also missing. Screws also missing. The customer is very bad. No screws. Only where's the screw? Okay. The customer is very bad. Is purposely took the item and took the screws and make it difficult. So it's an installation issue. The customer's installation issue. You see here the slot. Here is the slot here. This is the beam. The beam had to be put inside. Okay. The two beam. The customer took the two beam and took the screws. Okay, the customer want to get free item. Okay, this is terrible. It's not acceptable.